These are the top 3 toys that will definitely take you back to your childhood. And the last one will really blow your mind. And the first toy is one of the most popular in 2026. Yes, it looks simple, but just listen to that sound. And the next toy is even more interesting and dynamic. Wow, and this is the most mesmerizing toy of them all, and you'll definitely be amazed. At the same time, it's like a rattle, ASMR, and a relaxing anti-stress toy all in one. And this toy just blows your mind. It's a tiny anti-stress joystick. You can press, click, spin, and switch the buttons. Each button makes its own sound. A click, a snap, a toggle, and a spin. The most dangerous thing about this gadget is that once you pick it up, within a minute you're just sitting there clicking it non-stop. Honestly, if I had this as a kid, I would never have let it out of my hands. But now here's the question. Which toy is the most addictive? Which one is the best for you? Like, subscribe, and comment. So what about the secret toy? And here's an amazing fact. This toy is the most durable of all the other toys. At least that's what the manufacturer claims. And in the next video, we'll test all 3 toys for durability. Subscribe. No, seriously, subscribe.